In today's video, we are gonna learn about promotion tab in the YouTube Studio. This tab basically allows you to set up a paid campaign to help you get more views and more subscribers. This is very important feature inside YouTube Studio to promote and advertise a YouTube channel and video. Today's video gonna be very effective, so stay connected till the very end. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-alaikum. This is Sayyida Azra from Amfatech YouTube channel where you find all about technology. As I have already told you that today's video is all about the promotion tab inside YouTube Studio, and this is very helpful tool when it comes to promotion and advertisement. So now let's get into it. Quickly go to YouTube Studio dashboard page, click on content on the left side, and in the top tabs you are going to scroll over to promotion tab. So scroll down here, you see all the videos that I have already tested with the YouTube promotion beta. So now let's see quickly how to set up this. Click new promotion on the right side. First thing, it will ask you about account. You need to create your Google Ads account and connect it here. As I have already created my Google Ads account and linked it here, so it's not asking me. Remember, by this way you can connect your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account and you can promote and run your campaign and advertisement for your channel and video directly within the YouTube Studio. But if you don't know how to create Google Ads account and add payment method, then watch out my these videos. The link of these videos you can find in the description, on I button and on the end screen. In this tab, it's asking about the goal. There are two options, audience growth and video views. In this option, you will get views and subscriptions on additional videos as well. Here, you will only get views on the video that you are promoting. So for now, I am gonna select video views as I only want views on my video. Select it and hit next. In this tab, it's asking you about what video do you want to promote. So I go ahead and gonna select this video, which is how to add cards on the YouTube video, because I believe this video will bring me more valuable views for my channel. Moving down, here you're going to edit your promotion headline and description. I just use the video title in the headline. It has limit of 90 characters. And for the promotion description, I'm gonna copy some text from my channel description. And paste it here. Rephrase it to bring in the character limit of 70 characters. Down here, it shows where your ad will appear. It says this ad will play as an in-stream skippable ad and on the YouTube home feed and search results. So now click next. So next, you have to create our targeted audience, means choosing the people we want to watch our videos. Here, I'm gonna add all the countries that I have to see my promotion. I'm gonna add here every single country where I want my promotion to run. Okay, done. Now down here, choose your language. I'm gonna choose language English, Urdu, Punjabi, Hindi, and Arabic. Click next. Now you have to choose how much money you want to spend for this specific campaign. I would say here that you don't need to spend a lot of money, but in this case, what I have decided to do is just to spend 1000 rupees just to see what would happen. And here you can see that YouTube allows you to select how long you want to run your ad. Specify your end date here. Let's say I want to choose 25th May. And also here it provides an estimate of how many views you can expect for this amount. Now you have to click on this button, promote. Oh yes, it's done. This is our campaign that I have just created. Now we're gonna wait for our campaign to get approved. So don't worry, it will get approved within 24 hours. After 2 to 3 days, let's see our promotion status. And yes, this is our campaign. And see, our goal is to get views only. It costs 955 rupees here. And for this amount, I got 12,000 plus impressions, 714 views for this campaign. It means it's going well. And still, I'm getting more views. See here below this, when your goal is audience growth, then you can also get views and plus subscription. Moreover, if you want to learn how to grow your channel organically on YouTube, then go ahead and click on this video. In this video, you will get how to do SEO for your channel and video. This video really going to help you set up a strategy that you can use over time to hopefully grow your channel. This is all for now. I hope you find this video very useful. If you did, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I drop a new video. One more very important point here is that I also create videos on the request of my subscribers and viewers. So if you want me to create video on any topic, just write me in the comment section. I'll definitely make video for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.